This video is from the Green Saviors mini forest at the Belchik site at Rajgori. Nearly 400 volunteers were here to plant at this site. The forest is about 2.5 years old and we already have this in the forest kind of feeling. Nice to see that the trees have grown tall. At the same time, the trunks have also sort of picked up size. There are a lot of secondaries also emerging, so that's always an encouraging sign of certain plant species that were never originally planted here but have come up because they found a nice place to stay. The only problem with this site is a little bit of water logging on the lower side. This part of it looks perfect, but the lower side of the plot, as you can see, there's been a sufficient amount of water logging, but despite the water logging, the trees seem to be in good shape, and it's nice to get into this space and sort of feel lost. Some of the trees have already started producing seed pods. Flowering is happening off and on depending upon the kind of species that is there. These are the kind of spaces that we need to create in the cities to offset pollution, and these are known as carbon sinks. I mean, they sort of trap in all the carbon dioxide that they can, which would really be helpful in a urban ecosystem. We are really thankful to Belchik, especially Mr. Deshpande, for giving us this plot, and we look forward to making more such forests in the near future. This essentially is a journey of showcasing the work that Green Saviors has been doing and plans to continue doing in the years to come. We thank everybody around for all their support and look forward to it in the days ahead.